Home renovation and improvement projects continue to dominate despite the high prices and the scarce supplies. So if you have a project in mind, here are a few tips to help stay on budget in today's Your House, Your Home.
This may seem like common sense, but plan ahead. Whereas a few years ago, you might get the DIY itch and could run to the hardware store for readily available supplies, that's not necessarily the case now. Also, many contractors are booked solid, and finding ones that have upcoming openings can be a pricey endeavor. Next, do your homework. If you go the contractor route, get several bids. Buying materials, look at different qualities. Spending a little more upfront for better quality could mean additional efficiency and a longer lasting item. Also, don't count out secondhand items. There are several stores that offer used doors, windows, furniture, lighting fixtures, and more that are gently used, then refinished, that could be the perfect fit for your space for a more affordable price tag. Finally, think twice about DIY. If it's a project that you're unfamiliar with, you could cause additional damage or potentially void an item's warranty. If you must be hands-on, think about early steps in a renovation, like disassembling items or simple demolition. Later steps like trim pieces and fresh paint are usually projects that most folks can tackle on their own. For Your House, Your Home, I'm Bill Hurlbrink, KCTV5 News.
And for more stories like this, go to kctv5.com and click on the Your House, Your Home tab right along the top.